everyone, little did we realize that we will come to a place where we have to get ready to attend a virtual wedding on a Zoom call or a Google meeting. But nonetheless, it's a wedding and we get a chance to get ready. So I did this look right here as you read in the title bar. This is a wedding guest makeup look that you can wear to any virtual function or virtual wedding that you have to attend. So I did a dramatic eye makeup today, and I have kept the base pretty simple, and it's very easy for you to recreate as well. So if you want to know how you can recreate this look, then please continue watching. I've already toned my face using the Juicy Chemistry's Rose Water. I'm going to start with my moisturizer straight. I have already done a separate video on how you can prepare your skin before makeup, and I will link it here and you can check it out. So I'm going to start with my moisturizer, and for today's moisturizer I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. I've opened the second tub and I love it. The moisturizer is completely set, and for today's primer I'm going to use the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. Let the primer sit on my face for some time, and let's start with the eye makeup first. I have brought the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I do for my eye makeup. So I'm just gonna start with concealing my eyelids and all those things. I have again done a separate video on how you can do your eyeshadow step by step for beginners. You can click on the cards here to check it out. So for today's eyeshadow base, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand 20. So I thought of doing my right eye with you on camera, and I'll finish my left eye off camera and come back to do the base, because I understood when I do both my eyes on camera, the length of the video becomes more, and I just didn't want that to happen. So I'll just quickly do my right eye with you step by step, of course, and then I'll do my left eye separately. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to use all the colors from Makeup Revolution's Fortune Favors the Brave palette. For my crease, I'm going to take this second shade. It's called Buffer, and I'm just going to apply it as my transition shade today. To intensify my crease, I'm going to take this shade, which is a dark brown with some purple undertones. It's called Drama Queen, and I'm just going to use that to intensify my crease and also apply it a little bit on my outer corner. I'm going to take a small pointed brush like this, and this is a matte black shade, and it's called the Revolution. I'm going to apply only a little bit on my extreme outer corner so that there'll be a gradient of the dark purple and a little bit of black. Okay, I didn't know the black will be extremely pigmented, so I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to first blend out all the colors together. Right now, as you can see, the black looks a little sharp, so I'm just going to blend out everything and go back to the first shade, the shade called Buffer, and I'm going to apply a little bit more on the transition, and I'll be right back. Good that I started with my eye makeup first, because the black has a little bit of fallout. So I'm just using my powder brush to wipe the fallout. For my lids, I'm gonna take this golden shade. It's called Super Gold. Since my dress has a little bit of gold embroidery, I thought I could go with that. And I'm also thinking of topping it with a liquid eyeshadow. This is called Polaris Peach. It's not gold, but I thought of adding a hint of some liquid eyeshadow. If you remember this one, I used this in Cautious Recreation look. I used the other shade, which was silver. This is peach. Before I apply the liquid eyeshadow, I am going back to the transition brush. I'm just gonna blend all the colors out. Now for the fun part, I have taken the liquid eyeshadow. I've taken only a little bit and I'm just gonna apply it on the gold shade. Okay, I could have either probably gone for a lighter gold shade, or I should have bought a golden liquid eyeshadow because I feel the colors are a little different, but it's okay. It will look good. As you can see, I'm not going till the crease. I'm just staying up till where I have applied the gold eyeshadow. So make sure you just draw lines just over your already there eyeshadow instead of going above it. Likewise, don't mix it with the black. We want the black to stand out. I'm not looking at the camera because I want my liquid eyeshadow to dry. So make sure you don't apply it and drag it till the black. Make sure you still have a little bit of black eyeshadow remaining on your eyes. Okay, I hope the liquid eyeshadow is dry. I just had to look up to stop the camera from recording, and it just went above my crease, which I'll make sure to conceal it later. But otherwise, this is the eye look and I really like it. I will quickly do my other eye and be right back. Alright, so this eye is also done and I'm pretty happy with how similar they look. Moving to the base, I'm going to do my foundation, and for today's foundation I have the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. Here, I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. For today's concealer, I'm going to take the same Maybelline concealer. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to set my conceal areas. Since this is a virtual wedding guest makeup, I'm not going to contour much. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild bronzer just to give some warmth to my face. blush. It's nothing new. It's my Sugar Cosmetics blush in Peach Peak. Actual wedding or virtual wedding, it's time to glow, and there's no reason to not apply your highlighter. And for today's highlighter, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. I actually love this highlighter so much. It's so smooth. It gives a very blinding highlighter look, and if you want a subtle look, you can absolutely go subtle with this. But I'm very sad that it is broken and I had to fix it, and it's still, it's not completely set. It's not like how your regular highlighters come. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and glow my face. Before my makeup moves anywhere, I'm going to set it with the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Setting Spray. I'm going to set my eyebrow using this brush, and the reason why I don't use any eyebrow product is because I don't have any. I have never done my eyebrows, so my eyebrows are naturally thick and naturally, black too, so I don't have any eyeshadow product with me. Sometimes when I have to go a little extra, I just use a matte brown eyeshadow to set my eyebrows, but today I'm going to use only this brush. For today's kajal, I'm going to use the K Beauty's 24-hour kajal. I'm going to smudge my kajal with the same black eyeshadow and I'll be right back. I'm going to skip an eyeliner today because I don't want to hide the liquid glitter that's there. So I'm going to directly use my mascara, and for that I'm going to take my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Today's lipstick, I'm going to take the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Rosy Sunday. So this is how it looks. So this is the final look, and thank you so much for watching. It is actually very easy to recreate this look. As I said earlier, I have kept the base simple and I have focused on the eyes. I have gone for a very dramatic eye makeup. And come on, virtual wedding or normal wedding, you don't have to, feel bad for getting ready. It's a wedding, it's a function, and you have a reason to get ready. So if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me in my Instagram page so that I can repost your recreation on my page. I'll see you all super soon in my next video. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care. Bye.